secret. Try. Oh. Very good size, right? Look at this. Good size. Oh, this is a nice size. Wow. Look at that baby. Down there, man. Down there. Look at that color change. Look at that color change. Ooh, oh.
What's up you all, this is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thank you for tuning in my channel. Squid is such a fun fish to catch. It is also very delicious to eat. There are so many ways to cook squid. Today, I'm going to share with you a Korean recipe. It's called squid, also bibimbap, meant for cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started. To prepare the squid, open the belly and remove the head along with the gut. Remove the internal shell. Peel off skin from mantle and fins. Make slice cut on the squid, but be sure not to cut through. Then cut the squid into small pieces. Choose any veggie you like. I have a carrot, onion, cucumber, mushroom, spinach, bean sport, and wood ear. To make the sauce, you need 2 tablespoons hot pepper paste, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon sesame seed. Mix all the ingredients very well. Add salt and oil to the boiling water. Briefly cook the spinach and the wood ear. Now let's cook the squid in the boiling water for about 10 seconds. Flavor the spinach and the wood ear with garlic and the sesame oil. Now let's stir fry the rest of the veggie one by one. Finally, with the home-raised chicken eggs, let's make a sunny side-up egg. Prime the stone bowl with sesame oil and add the rice along with all the veggie in the bowl. Finish up the rice bowl with the sauce and egg. This is squid dorsal bibimbap, or squid rice stone bowl, a popular Korean recipe. If you like this video, please give me some up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.